medicinal drink for women, ideal for weight loss, shiny skin and less cellulite. Flaxseed is packed with vitamins, minerals, fatty acids, and fiber, essential for proper function of the intestine. It is also efficient in the elimination of toxins and health-threatening compounds. Flaxseed reduces blood sugar and appetite. It absorbs some nutrients in food, cleanses intestine, and supplies the body with lecithin. Its fatty acids stimulate fatty cells and enhance the melting of excess fat. Now you understand why flaxseed is ideal for those who try to lose weight. It helps individuals to lose excess pounds and maintain normal body weight. Flaxseed tea is one of the ways to use the benefits of this seed. It is one of the healthiest ways to lose weight without cutting off food and starving. What is more important, you are completely safe from the yo-yo effect. Flaxseed tea is great for individuals who had a surgery, or struggle with gastritis, stomach ulcer, cystitis, pyelonephritis, and hemorrhoids. Ingredients: 3 tablespoons flaxseed, 343 ounces, 1 liter boiling water. Preparation: add 3 tablespoons of flaxseed to a liter of boiling water. It is better if you do this in the evening, so the mixture can rest during the night. Thermos works fine for that purpose, but if you do not have any, use any kind of a bowl with a lid, of course. Strain in the morning. You should get a thick liquid. Dosing: drink 150 milliliters of the remedy 3-4 times a day, half an hour before your meals. Always make it in the evening so you can drink it during the day. And yes, always drink it fresh. Drink flaxseed tea for 10 days, then make a 10-day break. Repeat the treatment until your condition improves. Flaxseed tea treatment will help you regulate your weight. Remember, you should always drink enough water. Regular consumption of flaxseed tea will also give you a healthier skin complexion. Your skin will be elastic, healthy and tight, and you do not have to worry about it becoming loose after you lose excess pounds. However, flaxseed tea is not recommended if you have problems with your liver and kidneys.